Egg fried rice is super common, but today I'm gonna make two special kinds. First, golden egg fried rice. Second, black gold fried rice. Two simple tricks, two completely different flavors. Golden and black gold, each shining in its own way. Let's get started. We're using cold leftover rice. Day-old rice works best. It's dry and fluffy, so every single grain stays separate and tastes amazing. Break it up and split it into two bowls. For the golden version, here's the secret. Mix 1 raw egg yolk into the rice. Every grain gets coated, so when you fry it, the rice turns golden, fluffy, and packed with egg flavor. For the black gold version, instead of egg yolk, we mix the rice with dark soy sauce. That gives it a rich color and a deep savory taste. Now crack 2 eggs, beat them, and scramble quickly until fluffy. Chop up some green onion and carrots. Time to cook the golden fried rice first. Add a little bit more oil, pour in the eggs, scramble them fast. Toss in carrots and some green onions, and stir fry until fragrant. Now add the rice with a pinch of salt, about 2 grams. Stir fry for 2 minutes. When you hear that sizzling sound, add a handful of green onions, and it's done. Super simple, right? Check out this golden color. It looks so tempting. The black gold fried rice is cooked the same way. But since we already added dark soy sauce to the rice, just use 1 gram of salt. That's it. 2 fried rices, 2 flavors. Perfect for a quick meal. Give it a try and let me know in the comments which one's your favorite. And don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.